medyo nakaka-challenge lang. And ilang beses na rin kami nagkapitigan. But all I can say is we are enjoying the road trip.
Really?
Our relationship is being tested. Ay, it's a test, but we can do this, right? You know, in the Philippines, we just put a goat here. To eat all the grass. No need for lawnmower. Done? Oh, these are raspberries?
Yeah. Leave it, okay, there.
This one lives? But we need to pick up that one too.
Leave it for now, okay?
Okay.
And go take the raspberries.
Should we grill again today?
Yeah.
It's a nice weather.
You wanna go get something?
Yeah. But now I want to try those, the ones with the barbecue stick.
Yeah.
That one.
You wanna go get them?
Me?
Yeah.
Just me?
Yeah.
No, I
You can
can't.
walk here.
Oh, baby, I can't.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Naglalakad ako pag-isa. Kasi pumunta ako sa groceries na malapit. Kasi till 8 lang yung grocery. Eh, siya naman, till 8 lang niya gustong gawin yung mowing. Kaya ayaw naman niya na sumama pa sa akin. Kasi pag sumama pa siya, masahaba pa yung time na magmo-mowing niya. Eh, alis na kami bukas. Kaya, ako po ay mag-isa na mag-grocery. Naglalakad. Okay, at tayo ay tatawid. Sasabay na lang ako sa mga tumatawid. This is the quest. Okay. Ngayon, oops. Malapit na tayo sa grocery. Diba, walking distance lang. It's 5 minutes away. Okay, bayad na. Are you done with your mowing na?
Huh?
You're done with your mowing?
Yeah, mowing, yeah. I'll just rake it up.
Ah, tapos na pala siya mag-mow. Heist. O, diba? I'm an independent girl. I can do the grocery na. I can go back there walking. And I can come back here walking again. And ito na yung mga nabili ko. So, I got asparagus, cheese na parang snack, yellow bell pepper again. So, I got the same pork na kinuha namin yesterday. Pero iba yung marinade. Chicken kebab. Ewan ko kung ano to. Okay na to. This will be enough for us for our dinner today. We will grill na. Tapos na rin yata siyang mag-mow. You see the sunset? Ha! I have Coke!
Christus, Hallelujah, Fraya Madhustation with Rome, Mortuaries Point.
2 hours.
From
Brussels to Rome. 2 hours. Gutom na ako. I said I'm hungry. Nandito na kami sa Fiumicino Airport in Rome. Hinihintay namin yung mga luggage namin. Wala pa. Parang tumigil siya mag-ikot. It's 12, almost 12:30. At guys, gutom na ako. Naghahanap kami ng pagkain mamaya. Kasi hindi pwede na mag-drive kami na wala kaming kinakain. Mag-aaway kami yan. Good luck sa amin today. Medyo marami kaming hash today. And good luck rin sa battery ng DJI kasi almost low bat na siya. What do you mean? The Fiat? Yeah, never mind. Wala, hindi kami nakakuha ng Fiat. Ubus. Sold out Fiat and we wanted a Fiat but no more Fiat. So they gave us a Fiat but not the Fiat we wanted. Now it's 4-door Fiat. At least it's bigger. It's bigger na. Right now we are still walking towards the parking. Ang aming service for the next how many days? Ang daming cars dito. Okay, let's go. We should go. Okay guys, nakapasok na kami dito sa car. Pinicturean lang namin yung mga labas para sure kasi sa insurance and everything, di ba? Para safe. Ayan, nakapasok na kami finally. Lahat ng mga gamit namin nandiyan na. We are about to drive 2 hours or maybe even more. Papunta sa Naples. Guys, ako ay haggard na po as your update. Siguro 1 hour away pa kami. Puro highway lang. Puro ganito lang. Kaya hindi na ako masyadong kumuha ng mga clips kasi pare-pareho lang naman. Medyo nakaka-frustrate pa kasi nga dito sa Italy, merong mga tinatawag na ZTL zones which is yung hindi mo pwedeng ipasok yung sasakyan sa mga zone na yun. Kanina, I was trying to search about it, figure out kung ano yung zones, kung kasali ba yung Airbnb namin dun sa zone na yun. Nakaka-frustrate lang kasi nga hindi mo maintindihan yung mga website. Siguro pagdating namin doon, we'll figure it out. Medyo nakaka-challenge lang and ilang beses na rin kami nagkapitikan. But all I can say is we are enjoying the road trip.
Really?
Why are you laugh when I say we're enjoying the road trip?
It's a blast of emotions.
It is a mix of all kinds of emotions because we are also being tested right now. Our patience are being tested. Our relationship is being tested. We are being humans right now. It's a test, but we can do this, right? Yeah, we can. So good luck sa amin. Good luck sa patience. I'm saying good luck to our patience. Good luck. Itong kasama ko pa naman ay napaka...
Welcome to our Airbnb for the next 6 days. In fairness, napaka-fresh and malaki yung space nang nakuha namin. Kung ano yung itsura niya sa picture, ganun din in person. Nakakapagod lang umakyat kasi nasa second floor siya. Yung mga luggage na dala namin sobrang bigat. But we made it. Maganda rin yung spot niya kasi nasa center siya ng city and maraming restaurants and coffee shops outside. Parang bagong renovate siya and very secured yung doors, locks, and access. Napakabait din ng owner. Meron pa siyang gift sa amin na bag charms and also complete lahat ng needs namin for our stay. Hindi rin siya masyadong pricey kasi 35k lang yung naging cost for 5 days and yung owner pumayag din siya na mag-early check-in and late check-out kami. Ang downside lang is walang malapit na parking spot so we needed to look for a nearby parking spot outside. Yun lang yung naging challenging part. But aside from that, okay naman lahat. We loved our choice. We're here, Naples. That's a strong boy. Finally, we're going to our Airbnb na and we're just walking in the streets of Naples. Ito yung street namin guys, tignan nyo oh. Kung nasan kami. Ayan. Lahat ng building malaki. Ayan pa oh. There's one beside us and there's a bar in front of it too. And this is our window. Where's our window, babe? This? That one? The close one. Dito kami nakapark. Hindi kami dito naka-Airbnb, pero dito kami nakapark. Oh, see? Guys, finally, nakalabas na kami dun sa parking and all that. And we are off to go on our first adventure for the day. At ang pupuntahan namin today are the places Pompeii. Pero alis muna kami dito sa city kasi it's a little difficult to get out of here. Parang Pilipinas lang, Mars. Kanya-kanya. Oh. Hello, Naples. Magkukwento ako mamaya ng experience namin kahapon pagdating namin dito, Diyos ko Lord. So, pero tingnan nyo muna. Papakita ko muna sa inyo yung city. So, ito on the way na kami palabas. Pupunta kami sa expressway. Ayan. Dito kami pumasok kahapon. Dito rin kami lalabas papunta sa expressway. Sorry, babe. Yes, mag-i-story time na ako kung ano nangyari sa amin kahapon pagdating namin dito sa Naples. Okay, at first, di ba sabi ko sa inyo na medyo na-frustrate kami dun sa mga ZTL zones. Mahirap kasi nga syempre hindi namin maintindihan yung mga language and everything. Pero after that, okay naman. Survive naman namin yon. Nag-park kami doon sa Parchego, Bovio. Pagdating namin doon, medyo nagulat ako. Nagulat ako doon sa nakita ko. Kasi syempre, kung ikaw naman makakita ng mga ganung klaseng mga kalye, yes, medyo magugulat ka rin, di ba? So, sabi ko, parang mali yata. Parang it's a regret. So, ayun muna. Nag-park muna kami for one night, which was 20 euro. And then, after nun, okay na, nakapag-park na, naiwan na namin yung car. So, ngayon, yung walk papunta dun sa Airbnb. So, it was still a 8-minute walk or 8 to 10-minute walk from the parking space na nahanap namin. So, with 2 big luggages, plus 1 carry-on, plus 1 backpack, and 1 bag, medyo mahirap. Pero, kaya naman namin. Umakyat pa kami kasi may aakyatan ka pa papunta dun sa Airbnb mismo from the main door. Buti na lang, I have a strong jowa that was able to carry 2 23 kilo luggage. Mga sinasabi nila na when you come here in Italy or in Europe, don't carry big luggages. We know that. But probably matigas lang yung ulo namin. Siguro sabi namin, ay, kaya yan. Na-survive naman namin yun lahat. Fairness, pagpasok naman namin dun sa Airbnb namin ay it was a pleasant surprise. Kasi out of all the chaos dun sa labas na na-experience namin, pagpasok namin sa Airbnb namin it was so wonderful. It was so clean, so spacious, malamig. It had everything we needed.